Hey Bobcat Nation, looking for advice on landing your next internship or job? We've got it. Want a great recipe for pizza? We've got that too. We asked you to share your quarantine life. We've got that and much more. Let's go inside Quinnipiac. I'm Maggie Smith and welcome to the 4th episode of Inside Quinnipiac. I hope you're staying healthy and safe. Let's get right to it. It's Bobcat Nation in review. Finals week is here, and while the semester didn't go as planned, Bobcat Nation has thrived in ways we never imagined. Over the last 7 weeks, Quinnipiac has hosted hundreds of events for students virtually, including trivia nights, fitness classes, and guest speakers such as Cindy Bigelow, CEO of Bigelow Tea, who spoke last week about the health benefits of tea.
Well, there's something in tea called L-theanine. It stimulates the mind, but it relaxes the body. And that's why I think a lot of students really enjoy tea, because they say 2 cups are the perfect way to start studying.
There will be much more events throughout the summer, so continue to check out the virtual quad, the gathering place for all virtual events at qu.edu/VQ. We've also been able to come together as a community musically, virtually. The Bobcat Strong concert series kicked off this past Thursday with the Quinnipiac Legends performing the song Imagine.
Living life in peace,
You can check out new songs by different members of the Quinnipiac community released every Thursday. Social distancing has led us all to express ourselves in different ways. Let's go to our lifestyle correspondent Sam Tran on what's trending.
What's up, Bobcat Nation? This past week, we asked you to show us your best quarantine life, and here's what we got. Livy H is definitely missing the queue right now.
My life be like, ooh, yeah, ooh. My life be like, ooh, yeah, ooh.
Where are all my Full House fans at? Well, they're right here and part of Bobcat Nation. Next week is the start of summer vacation. Show us what you're gonna do this summer by using the hashtag Bobcat Nation on TikTok, and maybe you too can become Quinnipiac famous.
Is anyone else stressing about landing an internship or job? Don't worry, Quinnipiac has many resources available to help you. Joining me is Christina Galligan, Director of Alumni Career Development, to give you some advice in just 60 seconds on what we can be doing at home to help our job search. What are some things that people can do to prepare for future internships and jobs?
I would take this time to, really do some self-reflection. Is the job or internship that you originally wanted still one that's feasible in this market? Is it something that's still hiring? If it's not, there's actually a lot of different jobs or internships that you might be able to pursue that use your transferable skills. So take some time, think about what it is that you want, and then you can do some research on, hey, what's out there? What else can I do with my skills? And what's hiring in this market? The next best thing to do is to really double down and leverage that network that wants to help you. What you want to do is reach out to your networking contacts and ask for advice. Those that are in the working world, they have a lot of information that could help inform you to be smarter in your search. So getting that advice and being informed is really the best thing that you can do for yourself.
Yeah, thank you so much. This is definitely going to be helpful to the Bobcat community. Thank you for joining me. I don't know about you, but I've been missing the pizza in the caf. Let's head to our cooking correspondent Esau Green as he shows us how to make our own delicious pizza in under 30 seconds.
Hi everyone, I'm here once again with my nephew Zeke, and we're going to show you how to make pizza under 30 seconds. First, you gotta take the pizza out of the freezer. Put the pizza in the oven. Wait until the cheese is melted. Then take the pizza out of the oven and serve. Zeke, how is it?
It's great.
Not quite the buffalo chicken pizza from the calf, but it'll have to do until fall. Bon appetit!
This week's Bobcat of the Week is Delilah Dillon Dominguez. Delilah was named the 2020 PA Student of the Year by the American Academy of Physician Assistants for her exemplary service and leadership. Congratulations! Bobcat Nation is Bobcat Strong. To nominate your own Bobcat of the Week, tag Quinnipiac U and use the hashtags #BobcatStrong and #BobcatNation. That's all I have for this week's episode of Inside Quinnipiac. Make sure to tune in next week. Stay healthy, safe, and Bobcat Strong. Go Bobcats!